Scott Talks. I'm at the Dunkin. Thought I'd tell you a little bit about the ordering on the Dunkin app. It can be a little confusing. If you use your rewards points, you have, and it says order in store, great, I'll get it in the store. And then you're looking for your order and it's not there, and you're checking in your history on your home page. You go up the little hamburger, 3 lines, check it, and it's there, but it doesn't look like all the other checkouts where it shows the date, the date, more details. And you're looking at it like, well, what's wrong with this? It shows the minus points. It shows, that I'm here and nothing's on the screen, nothing's being printed out. Go under offers, and then it'll say offers and rewards, and it'll say my rewards, and click on the little thing that you just did your rewards on, my rewards, and then it'll say again, add to your mobile order, and you're like, I've already done this. You expect the app to work. You want it to work. You don't want to get in line. You just want to check out like you were ordering something. You walk up and you grab it and you go. But it makes you, if you do it, they don't make it too clear, and you do it slightly wrong, you're going to be standing around going, what's going on? And then the manager will have to show you, well, you have to go back here. Then you go to offers. I'm like, offers? I've already done the rewards. And I said order in store. She goes, yeah, well, and you hit the thing, offers, and there's your my rewards. Hey, that's what I ordered. You hit that, and you have a choice of, again, put it on the mobile order. I did that already. And or scan it in store, and you hit the thing, and a QR code, big square box, QR code pops up, and then you have to get in line, and you're like, I'm avoiding the line because I'm ordering with the mobile. So keep an eye out for that. It's a little trickier. All these apps have their own little issues where you're hitting too many buttons to just order. You identify your store. Are you going to the drive-thru, or are you walking in? You know what I'm saying? Or is it some kind of delivery? Get the basics down. You go step 1, 2, 3. You get your order, and McDonald's will throw you and here's 3 more things you could add to your order. And you're like, I just want to check out. I know you're trying to get some money. And those things are either popular or they're just real cheap, and they're high profit. I'm outside, so I get some street noise. That's the deal. It needs to be very intuitive, like an Apple product. They try to make them very easy for just a child to do. And I need intuitive, man. I need it to just work. It says you'll pick up at the little pickup area instead of, doing it twice and going, I've already done all these buttons. So work on that, Dunkin, please. And then I can just order in the parking lot and kind of float in and hang out, not bother anybody. Okay.